Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? I know you all are busy with your exam. So today I will be taking a small topic, that is examples of AI. So children, before that let's start with the definition of AI. So what is AI children? In simple words, we can say that AI is a special branch of computer science that develops intelligent computers. Okay, children? Intelligent computers that would be able to assist humans automatically. Okay, and who is known as the father of artificial intelligence? Do you remember, children? Yes, John McCarthy. John McCarthy. Okay, children, let's move on to the two groundbreaking works that has been done in the field of artificial intelligence. Okay, in which the first one is Xin Xiaomeng. Okay, so here you can see the image of Xin Xiaomeng. So what is that, children? She is a robotic news anchor created by China's Xinhua State News Agency. So, she is a robotic news anchor created by China's Xinhua State News Agency in March 2019, and she is programmed to mimic human expressions and mannerisms, and she is known as the world's first female AI news anchor. And this robot is made by that state news agency to present a story about delegates attending an annual parliament meeting arriving in Beijing. Okay, so you can see her. She sported a short haircut and wore a pink dress with earrings. Okay, just like a woman. So, children, keep in mind she is the world's first female AI news anchor robot. Okay, so what is her name? Xin Xiaomeng. Okay, and it was used by China's Xinhua State News Agency to present a news about the country's parliamentary meeting. Okay, so that's about Xin Xiaomeng. And the next example is Sophia. Yes, she is also a robot. She is the world's first humanoid robot. So, what is humanoid? Humanoid means robot resembling a human. Okay, and she is awarded the citizenship of a country. And do you know which country is that? Yes, it is Saudi Arabia. Okay, so she is the world's first humanoid to be given full-fledged citizenship of a country, and that country is Saudi Arabia in 2017. And she can hold eye contact, recognize faces, and understand human speech. And that's how that robot is designed by Hanson Robotics. Not only that, she can grind her teeth to express anger and also can raise her eyebrows. She has 62 different facial and neck mechanisms to create the natural looking movements. Okay, children. So that's about Sophia, and she is the world's first humanoid to get the citizenship of a country. And children, there are lots of AI based applications in our smart devices, and one of the most popular one is YouTube. Okay, so how does it work? Yes, with the help of AI, YouTube study preferences based on the user data, and it gives us personalized feeds and content relevant to the user. And what does it mean? It means it will show you different recommendations about the videos on the basis of the videos that you have watched before, and based upon those data it will give you different recommendations depending upon your interest. And the next important application of AI is Google Assistant. through which it can translate up to more than 100 different human languages. So, whatever we speak, that will be understood by that application, and it will answer your questions. And not only that, it can also do the visual translation, means it is used to identify images that have letters. Okay, so when you upload or when you give the data as an image, it can identify that image and give you the answer. And it's all based on AI, artificial intelligence, which means the development of smart machines. And the next is AI in gaming, which refers to adaptive and responsive gaming experience. What is that? Which means we may feel like we are playing with a human player. Okay. Yes, children, till now we have discussed about different applications of AI. Children, try to know more about it because it's a very interesting subject, artificial intelligence. So try to explore more applications of it. Okay, children. So in our next class, we will be discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of AI. So that's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.